Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for always dropping by, I appreciate it. Join me in this video as I prepare a tasty coconut rice using this rare recipe. Ingredients: rice, ice fish, fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, coconut, onions, crayfish. Seasoning: more powdered curry. Procedure: wash and season the ice fish with salt, more curry powder, and blended fresh pepper. Cover it and set aside. Parboil the rice and set aside. Break, wash, and blend the coconut. Sieve afterward and set aside. Slice the fresh tomatoes and onions. Blend the fresh pepper and crayfish separately and set aside. In a pot, add little water, the coconut juice, fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, salt, and more. Cover and allow to boil. Add the parboiled rice and stir gently. Allow to cook. Once it starts to get done, add the crayfish and the ice fish. Taste for salt. Cook until the rice gets done, and once the water dries up, turn off the heat. Take out the ice fish to avoid breaking and stir the food thoroughly. Dish and serve. To get a better coconut taste, please use enough coconut according to the quantity of rice to be made. Health benefits. Coconut rice is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. Coconut rice is a good source of minerals like iron, zinc, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy red blood cells, immune function, and blood pressure. Coconut rice contains antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage, inflammation, and oxidative stress. The fiber and healthy fats in coconut rice may help lower bad cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. Coconut rice contains prebiotic fiber that can help feed the good bacteria in the gut, supporting a healthy gut microbiome. The fiber and healthy fats in coconut rice may help slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, regulating blood sugar levels. Coconut rice is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a nutritious addition to a weight loss diet. The antioxidants and healthy fats in coconut rice may help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Ice fish is a nutrient-rich food that offers several health benefits, including high-quality protein, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It has antioxidant properties, low in saturated fats, good source of minerals, may help reduce inflammation, supports brain health, and it may help improve heart health. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments section if you enjoyed this recipe. Also, remember to like and comment if you found this recipe helpful. Bye.